less effort, less time, less energy, less money? Is it possible to do so? When you are getting such things for a less pay, what do you think of it? Do you think it will stay with you forever? Do you think that? No. You have to give your time, energy, effort, and whatever it takes to be successful in this particular profession. Right? So I'm here to discuss about the trade entry exit and the stop loss points of being an option seller here. I'm here to discuss this. First of all, I would like to discuss about my pre-market analysis because when you know what I have planned in the pre-market analysis, through that, where I took the trade, what is the psychology throughout the trade, how I exited, what is my target, everything will be discussed. By the way, I am a option seller. My psychology is regarding suits you if you are an option seller very much. Even though if you are an option buyer, it's okay, but option sellers will benefit from this trade. Now let's discuss here the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Actually, the trends in Nifty and Bank Nifty are uptrend. So when it is in the uptrend, we have to be bullish in the market. So what are the high probability trade locations I have marked here? See 43,981. I wanted to be bullish at this area if the price opens gap up. Okay. Now the another high probability trade location is at the CPR, which is around 43,750 or something like that. This is the place where I wanted to be bullish. You can see here these lines I have marked before the market, right? Before the market opens, I have marked these lines. And another high probability trade setup here is this 43,570. Okay. Now what happened? These are the high probability trade locations for Bank Nifty as well as the locations for Nifty are here. I wanted to be bullish at 90,474 as well as bullish at 90,379. Bullish at 90,353. You can see here these things. Okay, 90,350. Now, these are the pre-market analysis. Now, let me explain your view. If you are watching my pre-market analysis, I'm explaining your view about my pre-market analysis. Why? Because there is a reason for that. When I wanted to be bullish at this area, the candle is red candle. You may feel like why she is saying that this is going to be a bullish area, why this is a red candle. The answer for that is we never know what is going to happen when these trades, high probability trade conditions. If it is showing opposite to our pre-market analysis, we have to stay away from the markets. Okay. For example, if you see here, I have marked this level. Again, there is a bearish candle. I am asking you if you are doing the same analysis, if you are watching me for a long time, and if you really take the trade at this red candle, answer yourself. Do you take a bullish trade with this red candle? No, you shouldn't take. All the pre-market analysis is just for having some probability in your side, not 100% probability. So what we have to do is when the price comes to our location, we have to check the price to pivot behavior. What is price to pivot behavior? For example, let me take this aside. Price to pivot behavior in this sense. See, I wanted to be bullish here, and it is making a quick bar here. Quick bar. This indicates there are buyers present at this point and push the price. If the buyers present here at the time of falling this candle, this is like this. Okay, it is falling like this, but suddenly here buyers present and they push the price. They made the price to close above this level. Okay, so this is called the bullish power. Even though it is showing some red candle, this is called bullish call. This is also called price to pivot behavior. Okay, when the price to pivot behavior supports your pre-market analysis, you have to take it. Now, let's analyze one important thing. Okay, so I wanted to bullish here. Again, it is a showing bullishness here, mind that. But another confirmation to take the trade in Bank Nifty is if I always say that Nifty Bank Nifty moves in tandem. That means they move in equal ways. For example, Bank Nifty is taking support at some level. There are higher chances to the Nifty can take the price from there. This is how I took the trade exactly. Stay tuned with this video to learn about what is the entry, exit, and stop loss of this particular trade. By the way, I have made some money in this trade, so I will explain the complete concept here. Please stay patient with me. Okay, see here. When it is making some bullish candle, I look for 1030 candle in Nifty. Just a moment, once I came here, just that's something for myself. Okay. The concept here is I wanted to take the trade here as per my market analysis, and it is showing the price to pivot behavior in my favor. So what I do here is the next step is this is the 1030 candle. See, you can see here in the bottom 1030 candle. I see the 1030 candle in 50 also. What is the 1030 candle price to pivot behavior? You can see that I wanted to be bullish at 19,379, which I have marked here. If the price comes here, I'm going to take the trade. Why? I'm checking this? To the confirmation. To the confirmation to take the trade in Bank Nifty, I'm searching the price action or the pivot to price to pivot behavior in Nifty. So let me mark this too. Why? Because there is a interconnection between Nifty Bank. Okay. So I know that I'm explaining the mindset here. See, it is taking support at the top CPR. This is the CPR. This is the pivot point. This is the bottom pivot point. This is the top pivot. Sometimes when it is coming here, see, coming here and taking support here, making a bullish pin bar here. Bullish, it may look red, but the VIX says that there are buyers present here. So listen this carefully. What is my exact mindset here? Because 20% is strategy, 80% is psychology. Okay. Now my aim here is I wanted to be in the trade in a bullish view with good risk reward. Okay. So what is my thought process here is when this is making such bullish candle, at the same time top CPR also making bullish candle, there are chances as per my backtesting data, I know that chances to go in bullish mode here. So as a option seller, I have an advantage of staying in the markets even though slightly my direction is wrong. I'll explain it to you if you are a new person to this. For example, it is my bull area. I have entered here. This is my SL. This is my what is it? Entry. This green line. When I enter the market as a option seller, I have an advantage that if it is staying like this, I can make money. If at some points, if they are staying below, slightly below my stop loss area, I can make money. If it is going in my direction, I can make. Okay, this is the advantage of option seller, and I use this advantage to enter at this area. Okay, if it is going slightly down, I can stay in the markets, and I know that today is going to be a bullish day. So if I'm not I if I'm wrong, what happens? If I'm wrong, it may come till here and take support. Okay. While price coming here and taking support here, I can stay in the chances are there to stay in the markets, right? This is all about probability game. Chances are high. So we have to take that advantageous chances in our favor. So I have entered after this candle. Let me clear everything. Okay. This is my risk. Sorry. This is my risk, approximately my risk and reward. Exactly at this area I have entered the markets, and at this area I have exited the markets. If you want to know the exact reason for exiting here, stay tuned to this video. Okay, so see here, as I have expected, it has consolidated for some time and it moves in my direction. Okay, here the stop loss is clear. This is the stop loss. Okay, at this point, this is the stop loss. At this green starting area, I am my entry, and I have exited here. Why? I'm asking you, if you are watching my videos, if you are new to this channel, just answer yourself why I have exited at this point. I will give you 5 seconds. Think of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Why? The answer here is, see here, this is a red candle, big red candle, which is an indication for the sellers, or I mean bearish traders present here. They push the price downwards aggressively like this. When the price comes next time here, there are equal chances to the price to again push back like this. You can see here, once I have exited here at this spike or some candle like this, there is a red candle. Okay, there is a red candle. The reason for the exit here also in Nifty. Why? Because at this time 11:35 candle, see bearish candle which is rejecting from previously high. So see the 11:35 candle which has the rejection here. So there are chances to the fall to the fall of the market. So what I have thought is, even it falls, I can stay in the markets, but I'm having some good risk reward trade. Okay, it is about the stop loss is about exactly 40 points, around 40 points, and my exit is around 40. The risk reward is showing 3.8. Let's calculate it whether it is 3.8 or 3.5 in my brokerage thing. So see here, I have exited here. The concept here is not the profits. How exactly we are taking our entries and exits is our main thing. Profits are the byproducts of the process. Don't think about profits in the first. Think about the process. Okay. Now see here, I would like to show you here in my, see here, at this point 144.95, at this area I have entered the trade and exited at 84.30. Just 84.30, right? 84.30 I have exited. That means I'm in the profit. Like, as I'm trading with one lot, the profit may be small, but this is the foundation for making some good amount of money in the near future. Okay. Now see here, as I am in the profits, let's go here and explain this. See, I have exited, even though it can go like this. It can go till here. Actually, it can go till here, but I play the setting. Okay, I play the setting. Why? Because most of the time the indices are in sideways movement. I don't feel like sad about missing the opportunity, because I know that there are equal chances to move the price in this direction or in this direction. What I know is, if my risk reward is good, if there is any resistances over there, I will just get out of the trade. Why? Because there is a reason. When your profits are good and suddenly your profits decreases and then increases, your psychology hurts. Really, it will impact the rest of the day. To avoid that thing, if I'm having some good reward, I'll just get out of the trade. Now, I would like to say one thing here. There are three stages in the journey of uh, day trading. The first one is you have been in conceptual stage. That means you learn a concept. You try to understand the concept and you apply the concept to the charts. You don't invest your money in the stock market. This is the step number one. The step number two is you are implementing the learned concepts in the charts or in the market, okay, with little money, just like one lot, practical implementation with one lot. And the third stage is taking profits from the market, okay. Unfortunately, most traders want this stage. They don't commit to these two stages, okay. If you these these two stages, you can be profitable. There are profit. If you want to come across all these two stages and you want to achieve the profits, I have a course for you. If you want to learn that, just contact me. I'm going to give you the link in the description. Okay. Now, I hope you guys understand the pre-market analysis, the psychology in the live market, the entries, the exits, the target, what is the reason for exiting the trade. Everything is clear. Thank you so much for watching uh, my videos. And if you want to learn from me, I'm conducting a free webinar every single day at 8 p.m. and you can attend that webinar. After you attending that, if you feel like this is for you, if you learn this, you can make money from the markets. If you trust me and the system, you can take my course then. Okay. First, attend the free webinar which is happening today at 8 p.m. every day at 8 p.m. Whenever I am posting the video, I am going to give the link in the description. You just click on it, register for that, and come to the webinar. Ask me any questions you have. Let's interact with me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.